If you're seeing LibreOffice error 2503 on Windows, don't worry. This is usually a permissions issue, and in this video I'm going to show you two simple ways to fix it fast. The good news is that you usually do not need to reinstall Windows or do anything complicated. In most cases, the problem comes from the installer not having enough administrative access. So in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get LibreOffice installed properly. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Alright, let's get started. The first fix is the easiest and should be the very first thing you try. Find the LibreOffice installer file on your computer. Once you've located it, right-click on the installer. In the menu that appears, click Run as Administrator. This gives the setup program elevated permissions, which is often enough to clear the error 2503 message. After that, continue the installation normally and follow the on-screen prompts. If the installer opens correctly, go ahead and complete the setup. In many cases, that alone solves the issue immediately. If you still run into the same error, then move on to the second solution. For this one, we're going to use an elevated command prompt, which can help when Windows is blocking installer access. Press Windows and S on your keyboard to open search, then type command prompt. When command prompt appears in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is very important because opening it normally will not give you the permissions needed for this fix. Once the administrator command prompt window opens, run the LibreOffice installer from that admin terminal. If your installer file is on the desktop or in the Downloads folder, you may need to type the file path or navigate to it first. The goal here is simply to launch the installer with full administrative rights, so Windows does not block the process. After that, continue with the installation again and check whether the error 2503 is gone. This second method is especially helpful when standard right-click installation does not work. And just to recap, LibreOffice error 2503 is commonly caused by permission problems, so running the installer as administrator is usually the fastest fix. If one method does not work, try the next one, because both are designed to give the installer the access it needs. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with another LibreOffice issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.